Hello guys, today I will show you my mom childhood village where she was born before going city. Sorry my voice is a little bit weird cause I'm ill, but please stay with me and watch this video till the end. The road was tough, full of zigzags, and it makes me feel dizzy, and with my phobia of high places, this dizziness became too much worse. I found on the top of this mountain a lot of yellow flowers fields and a lot of butterflies. And I found a source of natural water. This water taste was different than any water I took before. And even this hot summer, this water was too much cold and fresh like a glass. The view of this source can tell everything, really. I finally achieved my mom village. The old homes were incredible, and it was completely empty. Maybe 2-3 families still living there in the middle of this mountain. And my question was how these people or families can live there in the middle of nowhere, far from everything, far from stores, far from city, and without internet. This white building is for martyrs in the middle of nowhere where you can find only silence and peace.